Hi guys, so I am back with another video for you guys. I'm gonna be doing a matte drugstore minimalistic makeup look. If you guys are interested in watching, make sure you subscribe down below and turn your post notifications on, and I will be showing you guys how to get this makeup look. So guys, we're going to just jump right into the video. I'm going to be applying my Revlon Photo Ready Primer. I'm using this to protect my skin while I have my makeup on, but also it's really good. It's a really good drugstore primer for no flashback, you guys. Just a quick tip. So if you guys are interested, make sure you go check that out. LA Pro Conceal in Orange. I'm going to be using this to cancel out the darkness around my mouth area. You guys already know I have like a lot of darkness around there. And then I'm using this EveryHue Beauty Tinted Moisturizer in number 7. I'm using this to replace my foundation because this is super light, it's moisturizing, and it's also mattifying, but it's not a foundation, so it actually moisturizes your skin and it's beneficial to your skin. I'm using their foundation brush to apply the moisturizer, even though I could use my hands, but I decided to just use their brush just to give me a smooth, completely smooth finish when I'm done. Now I'm going to be applying my LA Pro Conceal in Fawn to highlight my T-zone areas. And I'm using this Real Techniques beauty blender. It's a clean beauty blender, but it's damp, and I'm using that to apply blend all of that out. Now I'm using the LA Pro Conceal in Chestnut, and I'm using this for a cream contour. I absolutely love using this concealer as a cream contour because it's just the right shade to just give me a little bit of depth and warmth to my face without like overpowering it. So this was like, this is like my go-to cream contour product. For all the OGs that's been with me and rocking with me for a long time, you guys already know this is like one of my favorite, this is probably my favorite cream contour product. And it's only $3, so that makes it even better. So I'm going to be going in with a smaller brush to apply that contour to my nose. I'm just kind of chiseling my nose a little bit, and I'm blending it out with the EveryHue Beauty foundation brush, and just kindly applying it a little bit to my eyes, give my eyes a little contour. Next, I'm going to be using the Spun Naturally Neutral powder to set my under eye makeup, my under eye concealer, and also my T-zone areas as well. You guys kind of already know this part. And I'm using a fluffy brush to apply that powder. Now for contouring and bronzing, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm using the shade Contour to bronze my skin first. So this is going to bring some warmth to my face. This is going to give my face some type of life, make me look like I'm naturally like bronzed, you know what I'm saying? When I'm really not. But that's the whole point. It's a whole catfish for real, but you know what I'm saying? That's what makeup is for. So now I'm going and I'm using the Sculpt shade, and I'm using that on my eyes. Just, applying that to my eyes and giving my eyes some depth and some contour. And I'm applying a little bit more, as you guys can see, because I felt like it just needed a little bit more depth to my eyes. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to use the same Sculpt, and I'm chiseling my cheekbones, just a little light pat in my cheekbones to give me a little bit more definition. All the high points of my face. So now I'm using the NYX Cosmetics brown liner. This is probably one of my favorite lip liners right now, and I'm using this to line my lips. Once I line my lips, it's gonna look a little bit dramatic, but you guys already know I use my finger to blend it out. This time I'm actually gonna use a different technique, which is using the maracuja oil from Tarte, and I'm using a Q-tip, and I'm just kind of blending out that liner. It's gonna leave my lips moisturized when you use an oil versus just your hand. So that's a tip. You can use any oil you have. Now for lashes, I'm just gonna be coating my lashes with the Maybelline Lots of Lashes mascara in black. I think it's blackest black. I got a little smudge on my eye, so I'm taking that off. But this is how it's looking so far. It's looking very natural. You know, I'm going in with this Wet n Wild blush. I'm not sure the name of it, I'm sorry, but I'm going to be using this to give my face some life. And now for my brows, I'm using the Maybelline Gel Liner in brown. And I use this as a drugstore pomade dupe for the Anastasia or the Benefit pomade. I'm using this as a dupe for that. It's a very good product, by the way. I kind of use this a lot when I think about it for my brows. So once I'm done doing my brows, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. And I'm using this to give my face a little bit of glow, not too much. As you guys can see, I'm using a little light tap with my finger. You don't want it to look overly dramatic. And I'm putting a little bit underneath my brow bone as well. Just to chisel that brow bone a little bit, give it some life and some glow. Yeah, so that's how I'm doing it, and in my inner tear duct as well. Once I finish coating my bottom lashes, I'm going to go in with lips. Now I'm using the LA Colors matte lipstick in Classy, and this lipstick is super pretty. And this is the final look. I am really loving how I did this makeup. It was very simple. Literally, this is like a beginner's makeup tutorial. So for all of you guys who are interested, let me know if I should keep doing these. So this is the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Spray. I meant to say spray down below, but I'm using the Master Fix Setting Spray to set my makeup. If you guys want to use that, that's totally optional. But this is the final completed look. I love it, and Zoe loves it too. So if you guys love it, subscribe down below, turn your post notification bell on, like, comment, share, all that, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye guys.